Khao San Road is one of the world's most famous backpacker streets and one of Bangkok's most recognizable tourist destinations. Located in the historic heart of Thailand's capital, this short street has become a symbol of budget, travel, international tourism, and unforgettable nightlife. While Bangkok is known for its magnificent temples, royal palaces, floating markets, and modern shopping malls, Khao San Road offers a completely different experience. It is a place where travelers from every corner of the world come together to eat, drink, party, shop, and exchange stories. Originally, Khao San Road was a quiet residential street. Its name literally means milled rice road, reflecting its history as part of Bangkok's rice trading district. During the 1980s, as more backpackers began arriving in Thailand, local residents started opening inexpensive guest houses, restaurants, and travel agencies. Over time, the street evolved into the global backpacking hub it is today, welcoming millions of visitors every year. As the sun sets, Khao San Road transforms into one of Bangkok's liveliest entertainment districts. Music pours out from dozens of bars, colorful lights illuminate the street, and food vendors fill the sidewalks with the aromas of freshly cooked Thai cuisine. Street performers entertain crowds while visitors explore market stalls, selling clothing, souvenirs, handmade crafts, sunglasses, backpacks, and countless travel accessories. The atmosphere is energetic, but generally more relaxed than Bangkok's adult entertainment districts. Unlike some nightlife areas, Khao San Road is not centered around adult entertainment. Instead, it is famous for its social atmosphere, affordable drinks, live music, rooftop bars, dance clubs, and open-air restaurants. Travelers often meet complete strangers over a drink, forming friendships that continue long after their journeys end. It is one of the few places where people from dozens of different countries gather in the same small area every single night. Food is one of Khao San Road's biggest attractions. Visitors can sample authentic Thai favorites such as pad Thai, mango sticky rice, grilled seafood, spicy noodles, and fresh tropical fruit. The street is also famous for adventurous snacks, including fried insects like crickets, grasshoppers, and scorpions. While many people try them simply for the experience, they have become one of Khao San Road's most photographed attractions. Shopping is another important part of the experience. Small shops and market stalls offer affordable clothing, elephant print pants, handmade jewelry, artwork, souvenirs, phone accessories, and travel essentials. Bargaining is common, and friendly negotiation is part of the shopping culture. Many visitors leave with unique souvenirs that remind them of their Bangkok adventure. The crowd here is incredibly international. Backpackers, digital nomads, solo travelers, couples, students, and families all share the same lively streets. English is widely spoken, making it easy for first-time visitors to navigate the area. The relaxed atmosphere encourages conversations between strangers, giving Khao San Road a friendly and welcoming character that has made it famous around the world. Getting to Khao San Road is relatively easy. It is located about 5 kilometers from central Bangkok and can be reached by taxi, tuk-tuk, ride-hailing services, or public buses. Since there is no BTS SkyTrain or MRT station directly beside the street, many visitors combine public transportation with a short taxi ride or walk from nearby ferry piers along the Chao Phraya River. The best time to visit is after sunset, when the street comes alive with music and entertainment. Activity usually begins around 6 p.m., reaches its peak between 9 p.m. and midnight, and continues into the early morning hours. The cooler months between November and February provide the most comfortable weather for exploring Bangkok on foot. Visitors should wear lightweight clothing because Bangkok remains warm and humid throughout the year. Comfortable shoes are recommended for walking, and keeping valuables secure is always a good idea in crowded areas. Although the atmosphere is friendly, it is wise to stay aware of your surroundings and agree on taxi fares in advance if using vehicles without meters. Khao San Road is much more than a famous street. It represents freedom, adventure, and the spirit of independent travel.